Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we will try to solve this error that appears when downloading Minecraft. Unfortunately, it shows the error notification. Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account. Make sure you are signed in to the store and try again. It also displays an error code. So let's see how to fix it. Before we begin the tutorial, first check your date and time settings to ensure they are correct. Always enable the option Set Time and Date automatically, and also verify your time zone. Once you have checked these settings, open the Microsoft Store. Press your Microsoft account profile picture and click to sign out. After you have done this, close all windows. Next, open your Windows settings and select the Apps category. Click on Apps and Features to see all installed apps. Locate the Microsoft Store. Press the vertical three dots icon and go to Advanced Options. Scroll down and click to reset the Microsoft Store. After resetting the Microsoft Store, don't forget to restart your PC. Once the restart is complete, try accessing the Microsoft Store again. In the Home page section, press the profile picture icon and sign in to your Microsoft account. Finally, my account is successfully logged in. Next, I try to install the same Minecraft launcher to check if this fix works. This time, you can see the launcher starts downloading without showing the previous error message. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Additionally, if you found this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a like. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating useful content for you. For more detailed tutorials, tech tips, and troubleshooting guides, be sure to subscribe to my tech channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the latest videos and never miss out on any important information. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.